Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can Grok predict the price of XRP for the month of December? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we normally play the game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. We have played the game with Grok in the past and DeepSeek in the past, but we haven't done it since the beginning of the year, so I figured we would bring it back. I've also been thinking about taking a look and see if the Grok girlfriend version of the AI can predict cryptocurrency pretty well, since I've seen it act pretty weird online. If we do decide to do that, that will be some point next month, so subscribe for that if you're interested and let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey Grok, we are starting up a guessing game like we do with ChatGPT, and this time it is XRP. Right now, XRP is sitting at around $2.02. Look back at XRP's historical performance in December since it was first launched. Has December usually been a positive or negative month for XRP? Give me 3 guesses for December 2025. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and a standard guess, aka the official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alright, and with that being said, we're going to hit the send button and wait for the results from Grok. Okay, Grok ended up giving us a lot of information. The no explanation needed probably was bypassed by the deep search. That's okay. I already asked Grok to elaborate with just the answer. If you're interested in going through all this and reading all this, feel free to pause as I scroll through it, because quite frankly, we don't have the time to go through everything line by line. But with that being said, here we are at the answer. All right, it looks like December is primarily been bullish. We have out of the 12 years, 8 of those years are winning positive months. The average return is about 35%. The median return is around 6.5%. Now let's take a look at the official ranges. The bullish guess, $2.20. Range between $2.15 and $2.25. The bearish guess is $1.90, range between $1.85 and $1.95. And now we have the standard guess. This is the official guess. This is what Grok will be rated off of, right or wrong. And its guess is $2.08, range between $2.03 and $2.13. So Grok believes that we are not going to be seeing a major range with this guess. It is a much more passive guess than what ChatGPT had. If you're interested in that guessing game, click on the eye in the top right and you can take a look at that video right there. But basically, if this last month basically repeats from last month, 11/21, we were at $1.87. We're kind of right in that range. So kind of, in my opinion, a lame guess from Grok. But let's see who's right. Let's see if ChatGPT is right. Let's see if Grok is right. Let me know in the comment section below where you think the price is going to land. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.